This is Joe with joesastrophoto.com. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have the results of the Bubble Challenge. If you haven't seen that video where Glenn and I did a behind-the-scenes collaboration on the Bubble Nebula, and we shared 27 hours worth of data to anybody who wanted to try their hand at editing the Bubble Nebula. And so I'm going to put a link to that right here. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's really cool. Today, we're going to go over the results that we got from people who participated in what we are calling the Bubble Challenge. We had 22 images to review, and we did them rather quickly because, we didn't want to make the video too long. But I want to give a huge shout out to everyone who participated, and thank you so much. It was really cool. I hope we didn't miss anyone. If we did, I sincerely apologize. I'm pretty sure we tried really hard to make sure that we got every single person who submitted an image. To all the YouTubers who submitted an image, I've got their links in the description below. Please make sure and check out their channels. A lot of them did an edit or did a video showing how they edited the Bubble Nebula as well, but they all have great channels. If you're really into astrophotography, you just got to check out their YouTube channels.
Hi Joe, how are you, my man?
Hey Glenn, how are you?
I'm really well, thank you ever so much. And what do you think about this Bubble Challenge?
Oh, I can't believe the response we've gotten. I'm just very overwhelmed.
Yeah, it's been a really excellent response actually. I've been really pleased with it, and it has been such a variety of edits on the data. It's been really good to see all the different approaches.
I've seen them all over, and that's exactly what I was hoping for.
Yeah,
a bunch of different edits all over social media.
Millions, I think you said millions.
Yeah, I would love to have seen millions, but I'm super happy with the response that we got.
Yeah, it's really
and
good.
If we had gotten millions, we would have had to do a 50-part series to review them all.
It'd have been a lot of work. Well, would you like to have a look through what we got?
I would love to.
Right. Well,
let's see what we got. I'm very excited.
I've got them all lined up, so let's get them on the go, and let's see what we think. So let's have a look. So this first one is by Alan Giles. So
okay, that's very nice.
Yeah, I like this one. He's got some nice colours going on. I like the gold that he's got, and the blue's lovely.
Blue, I really like that blue.
Yeah, and nice details. Really good, really good. So done a good job there.
Let's see, Aleister Scoby.
Yeah, this is a double. He put in 2 edits. Really nice. Again, both really crisp and sharp.
I like his take on the RGB palette.
Yeah, I like that too, actually. It is nice. It's nice to see a different version. But I like them both, actually. Astrovino. Excellent.
Oh, I like this. This is one of my favorite ones because it's strikingly different.
Yeah, but I like the bubble. It's like a crystal almost with the white there. I like that.
Yeah.
That's quite a nice version of the bubble there. Right, who's next?
Here, Gary Clayton.
Gary Clayton. I like. It's got some nice sharp detail there. And,
yeah, I'm getting a kryptonite vibe here from the green for the school. Yeah,
well, I think he took inspiration from your headphones.
There you go. Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay, Hannah Rochford. Hannah actually, this is one of the first edits she's ever done of Deep Sky Object.
Really?
Yeah,
wow,
I remember her saying.
That is nice for your first time.
Yeah, and she went for, she said warm colours, which I think she's pulled off really well there. So
I like it.
Yeah, she's done a really good job. Okay.
Oh, Jason, the Lazy Forerunner.
Jason, he's done a nice job there. I like that.
Yes.
He's gone for a less contrasty one, a more sort of, I wouldn't say pastel, but paler colours, and I like that.
Yeah,
it's good.
It shows a lot of the dust lanes.
It does actually, yeah. Right, John Maples. I really like this actually. It's got nice colours.
It's very good balance.
Yeah,
it's got a very good balance.
Yeah, and he's got some nice dark details going on in the bubble there, and the clouds to the right there. He's got some nice detail.
I like it. Oh, Leon Shattuck.
Well done, Leon. Look at this. This has got a real stormy feel about it. I love the darkness he's got going on in the the upper areas there.
Very bright colors in contrast to the dark areas.
He's brought some good details out in the oxygen there, though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mashed Potato Mountain Observatory. There's a mouthful. It's got this looks like a Cylon.
It does, yeah, very much so.
Battlestar Galactica Cylons.
Ah, our good friend Pat Procop from Savannah.
Oh, yeah.
He's done
This is another nicely done. Really good balance to this.
He's brought out some really good detail in the nebulosity there, and I do like the way it swirls around in the oxygen.
Yeah.
Just above the bubble there. I really like that little gold cloud there.
That detail in the gold cloud. Paul Holdsworth.
Two very nice edits.
And one of them's the 4-ax.
Yeah, he said that he used the 4-ax as well, and he's got some good taste. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. But I really like both edits. Really good.
Nice.
Paul Moyes. I like this one. I like the colours. Again, he's gone.
This one's got that gold, but the less blue in the center. So
it's pulled out quite a lot of dust in that one.
He has.
It looks really good. I like that. That does look really good.
This is great. We have next.
This is really nice. This is Russell. Our
Russell
good friend
Discount.
Russell.
Yes.
He's got some nice detail going on, especially on the right again, and the bubble's got some good detail.
The bubble's very detailed. I really like that bubble.
Nice job, Russell.
Yeah.
Well done, mate. Okay, who have we got next? So this is by Stefan. Or Stefan, I'm not sure how we pronounce.
Yeah.
I'm sorry if we're saying it wrong. He's gone for a very vibrant, very fiery, quite striking, this one.
Kind of like a fire in the sky.
He certainly is, yeah. He's gone for a very bold set of colours there.
I like it though.
Okay, Tom
Dagon,
yeah, that's he's gone for a tighter crop on that for a bigger field of view.
He's just focused in on that bubble. But the bubble looks like it's reflecting, like
it's
you
almost
can see the reflection
3D actually, isn't it? Because he's gone in nice and tight on that, so that's good. Okay, this is by Adam Ramsey, and he's gone for a different colour palette again there.
Really different colors, but it's still nice, just not the colors I'm used to seeing.
But I like that when people try different things, because
it
shows it in a different light. So Ben of Cosmuzz Astrophotography's done a nice job there. It's got a real bronzy feel, isn't it?
Yes, I like that.
Yeah,
it reminds me of like a bronze dragon or something.
Yeah, and he's gone for sort of a grey in the middle. I like that actually. It's
quite
nice. Yeah,
it's pretty
really
cool.
Good. Nice job, Ben.
And Logan.
I like Logan's edits. In fact, this was a masterclass in masking, if I wasn't mistaken, in Pixing Sight. Makes my masking look extremely lazy.
Great job here. Good balance here too.
Yeah. Okay, this is Philip Hahn. I like this actually. It's got some nice colours going on. I really like the blue in the centre. It's got some.
I like that blue colour. It makes
stands out.
It makes it pop. Yeah, it makes your eyes go towards the center.
It definitely does. Draws you straight in, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And this is
James, DSO Imager.
James done nice here. He's got that kind of rainbow effect going on, which is
I like his images. If you follow him, he likes to leave some green in his images.
Yeah, James
really brings some depth.
James shared a good of how he went about this on his channel, so it's worth checking out. George Buckberry, this is another one with a completely different colour scheme. I know George was saying it wasn't what he wanted or it was what came out, but it's different. Yeah,
I like it.
Batman,
like Gotham City, taking this image in Gotham City.
Gary Snow.
This
is another completely different take on the data and colours.
Yeah. Well, I like all these different colors. I really do. I like the fact that everybody changed stuff up.
Yeah, they really do. I think actually, Joe, that is the last one that we looked at.
That went quicker than I thought. Wow.
It did. I want to apologise if we did miss anybody's data because we
definitely.
tried our best to keep a record of everyone that shared us or tagged us in, but there is a possibility we did miss one or two, and if we did, I
hope not.
really sorry about that.
Same here. Yeah, I hope we grabbed everybody. And I wanted to say a huge thanks to all the YouTubers who took the time to do the video.
Yes.
On them actually processing the data, and we still had some YouTubers that just processed the data, and that's great too.
Yeah.
I'm just glad that we had such a great participation, and I was surprised at how many people took the bubble challenge.
Yeah, it was really good. I was an excellent response. Just to make a note, we will put all of the YouTubers' channels in links in the description, so please be sure to check their channels out.
Absolutely, yeah.
There's stuff to be learned, especially on the editing just of this data alone. So yeah, it's really good.
If we had more time, I'd do a shout out to each and every YouTuber that put it, but I guess right now the description's going to have to suffice.
Yeah, that's fine. Well, that's it, Joe. I really enjoyed that.
All right. Thanks, Glenn. That was fun. We're gonna have to do this. We're gonna have to do this again.
Okay. I'll let you do it next time.
I had a lot. No, you did a fantastic job of lining them all up. It was great.
It was fun. No, it was really good. It was great just to see all the different versions, and that's what I was hoping for, just to see. It's just amazing of one set of data, how many different the variety of ways of approaching it, and it was really good to see. I really liked it.
It was.
Yeah.
It was. Thank you.
Thanks so much, everyone.
Yeah, thanks.